guys, so basically today's another day. Last night, oh, I still got tape on my head. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Basically yesterday we went bowling and it was so fun, and I won. Like, I won. I don't tend to win. I haven't won a game in so long, actually. I'm not even kidding. So yesterday when I won, I was like, what's happening? And every time Jyoti would insult me, I'd get a strike or a spare. And it happened 3 times in a row. Every single time he insulted me. But yeah, it was jokes. It was really good. We had great fun as well. But yeah, so today we are going down to the city. Yeah, just have a look around. Maybe go to a couple of places. Have some, maybe lunch. And then come back home and have some dinner. So, should be a good day. We've got one more day before we hit the road trip. So, yeah. What do you want?
तो रोटी खानी या नून वाला परोठा खाना?
नून वाला परोठा खाना.
Okay.
वैसे
रात वाली सब्जी है, तो रोटी भी खानी है.
I know, but अदरक का पर स्वाद बहुत सी.
Okay, फिर रोटी तू ना नून वाला परोठा ही खा ला.
हाँ, मैं नून वाला परोठा खाना. Okay, so I'll keep you updated anyways of the rest of the day. Today I am wearing, I don't know if you can see, so I'm wearing, I guess, top with some jeans and probably like trainers or something, I don't know. But yeah, oh my god, it looks like a headband. Yeah, I'll be using that anyways. But I'll keep you guys updated. Peace. So basically there's like a main traffic way right around the corner, but yeah, we went to the garden and then we went home, and now we're going to Auckland Lane. Yeah, it's like a museum, so we're gonna go there and then we're gonna get lunch, like really late lunch. But yeah, that's the plan for now. You enjoying it?
Yeah, I enjoy sleeping.
Yeah, no, it looks a lot like England, but a better version, so yeah. Let's get going!
ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਵੇਰ ਨੂੰ ਜੰਮ ਗਿਆ
ਓਏ ਮੇਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ
ये मैं स्वाद लगी।
Right guys, so we're back at home and we literally went out and ate, and then we went to the ice cream parlour, and then we literally just drove home. But the food, again, we went to the same place and like told them guys how good it was, and it was the first time they'd even heard of them. Crazy, right? But yeah, we were like super full, we were super hungry as well, and we got lost actually getting to the restaurant. But once we did, like, we're now so full, literally can't breathe. Yeah, but we're gonna probably watch a movie, chill, and yeah, I'm gonna check my photos out, see how they came out, and I need to pee, and that's about it. But anyways, until tomorrow,
Yeah.
stay fearless and keep going. Bye.